I started going through the files here from last time I was home while I was making some spaghetti sauce, and reviewed the files from the camera that I bought. The little, I'll show you. This little camera right here. It is, anyway, this little camera. The video quality is pretty good, but the audio sucks royally. And the camera angle I had my phone at was terrible. And the audio from the other camera is bad. And trying to link them all up, I'm just going to pretty much trash that video. I'll make another one tomorrow. Probably just using my phone. I'm going to try to find some sort of tripod mount for my phone. Or I might just break out one of my Sony camcorders for ghost hunting. It's not HD, but they do take pretty good video. I might just break out one of those for recording. We'll see. But I'm going to do some recording, making some beef vegetable soup. And we got steaks thawing in the fridge, so I'll be making that too. So the homemade spaghetti sauce, I might do something with it later on down the line, but I don't see... The audio is real faint and a lot of hiss in the background, and I'm thinking about just taking the camera back because, I guess you get what you pay for. I was hoping maybe it would be like a cheap GoPro or something. I only paid like $50-some for it, but it's not good. So I wanted to give you an update on that video. I was hoping to have something, but I'm not going to spend all the time and effort fixing this video and it not turn out right. So I will be posting one tomorrow night of what I make. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's see. We'll just use parquet. Parquet. No, it's butter. Parquet. Corny. Them old commercials. I'm going to just throw a little bit of that in there right there.